One season on the Alpha. It's 2020 Alpha. I got one season on it. I already have a lot of freaking slop in the steering. I ordered a BDX steering post slop fix kit. Today we're gonna be installing that. So pull the side panels off, pull the hood off. Kitty cat likes yard cat. So undo these two and then pull your seat off. T20 Torx bit. Once you pull your seat off, some final T20 screws in here to pull this off. Hold this back and put a vice grip on the pull start so it doesn't go through back into the motor. Next you gotta pull your exhaust off. Pull the 2 springs here, 4 springs right here, 1 spring there. Next step, pull these handlebars off. It's a 10mm bolt. Pull these 2 nuts off, they're 10mm. Pull the bracket off and the bushing off. And then pull this off, this connection arm. It's a T40 Torx bit and a 13mm wrench fits on that. Pull that off. Remove this pin, undo that nut, which is probably a 13mm, and pull your stem out, your steering shaft out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10mm bolts, pull them off. Once free, it should pull right out. We're removing that bushing right there. Just have to pull that clip off. The factory bushing from Arctic, you can tell the shape, it's not gonna hold very well. Here's BDX fixed anti-slop bushing. Just compared the two. Slide the new bushing in, put your snap clip back in, and work on getting this snap ring in place. We got everything back together, put the bars on. A lot less play. It's not 100%, but we'll take it. Snow bike needs a little love yet. Snow's falling though. Ready to kick it in gear and get out to the mountain.
They like, there he go. They be like, there he go. School boy, there he go. Chiefing like a mother.